In this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy your Lovable website or any web app completely for free on Vercel. If you haven't signed up for Lovable yet, simply click on the first link in this video's description, which will redirect you to the official Lovable website. Then click on Sign Up and create an account with a completely new email to get 25 credits absolutely for free. Once you sign up, your dashboard will look like this. Simply create your first website or web app. So here's a website I've created. It's basically a gym website, and I want to deploy it on Vercel. But before that, we need to make sure our Lovable account is connected to GitHub. To do that, open your project, go to the drop-down in the top left corner, and then go to Settings. Once you're here, click on the Git option, where you'll find the option to connect your GitHub account. Before that, make sure you're logged into your GitHub account to make the process easier. So once you're here, click on GitHub, then click on Add Connection, and you'll get the option to add your account. Click on Add Account, and it will ask for permission to connect your GitHub account. Since we were already logged in, it automatically connected our Lovable account to GitHub. In your case, it might ask for permission. You simply need to allow it. All right, as you can see, our GitHub account is now available to connect, so I'll click on the Connect option right over here. As you can see, our account has been connected, and it has successfully pushed our fitness website to GitHub. If I click on View on GitHub, we'll be able to see the entire project inside our GitHub account. So these are all the code files for the fitness website we created on Lovable. Now, to deploy it for free on Vercel, all you need to do is visit the official Vercel website, click on Sign Up, and create a new account. If you don't already have one, you can use any of these options. I'll continue with GitHub. Now it's asking for permission to connect our Vercel account to GitHub, so I click on Authorize. Now it's asking us a few questions. First, it asks us to choose a plan. I'll say I'm working on personal projects. Then it asks for a team name, so let me enter SuccessMinder10 and click Continue. As you can see, this is our Vercel dashboard. Now to import our project, all you need to do is click on Select a Git provider to import an existing project from a Git repo. Simply click Continue with GitHub. Now it asks you to install the GitHub application for the accounts you wish to import from, so simply click on Install. Now it will ask what permissions you want to grant Vercel for your GitHub. I'll select All Repositories and then click on Install. Now it will be able to access all of our GitHub repositories. So this is the website we just imported from Lovable, which is Sleek Stride 123. As you can see, this is that fitness website. So if I go back to Vercel, all I need to do is click on the Import option right over here. Now we have a few options to select, but you can simply ignore all of these and click on the Deploy option. Then wait a few seconds for our website to get deployed on Vercel. It may take some time. As you can see, the process has started. It's building logs, giving us a deployment summary, and assigning custom domains if available. Let's wait until the deployment process is complete. As you can see, it says, "Congratulations, you just deployed a new project to John." And here's our project. If I click on this project, as you can see, it redirects us to the website we just created on Lovable. And as you can see, this is our domain, a subdomain that includes vercel.app. So this is how you can deploy your Lovable website absolutely for free using Vercel. If you haven't signed up for Lovable yet, click on the first link in this video's description and create an account with a completely new email to get 25 credits absolutely for free. If you want to know how to connect a custom domain to your website on Vercel or how to get free credits on Lovable, click on the videos appearing on your screen.